Today's video, I'll show you how to upload a Suno AI generated song to YouTube, step by step. Let's get started. Step 1 is to create and export your song. Use Suno AI to generate your song, and then once you're happy with it, just simply export the final audio to your device. Step 2 is to add a visual component. YouTube requires a visual element, so choose one of these options. First is to use a static image like album art or simple background, and then create a lyric video using a tool like Canva or Adobe Spark. Step 3 is to upload to YouTube. Log into your YouTube account and click on Create, and then go on Upload Video. Select your audio file with the visual you created. And then Step 4 is to optimize for visibility. Add an engaging title, description, and relevant tags. Include keywords like Suno AI, AI-generated music, and trending music genres. Choose your visibility like public, unlisted, or private. Step 5 is to publish your song. Once everything is set, click Publish and your Suno AI song is now live on YouTube. I really hope this helped. If it did, please like and subscribe and I'll see you into the next one.